In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate and manipulate the UMAP plot within SCenic Viewer. So once you have loaded your dataset of choice, you'll be immediately greeted to the UMAP plot within the first tab. On the right side of the menu, you have several different options where you can enter the title for your UMAP. So in this case, I can enter TILs because these are infiltrating leukocytes. You also have the option to modify your X and Y axis labels. You can also change the size of your font. So I'm going to go from 14 to 16 for my main title and 12 to 14 for my X and Y axis labels. In addition to that, you can change the styling for your main title as well as your X and Y axis labels, as well as change the font family for your X and Y axis labels as well as your main title. In order to resize your plot, you can simply click at the bottom right hand corner and drag the canvas to resize your plot. In order to change the colors within the UMAP, you can go to the Colors tab, and once here you have access to a variety of different options and color palettes to change the colors of your different cell populations or sporadic clusters. This is the end of the UMAP plot.